Good day. The video you are about to watch has been designed to assist you in making full use of all the features offered by the Senior Service website. Understanding and mastering these features will maximize the exposure your retirement facility gets from the Senior Service website. In this video, we are going to show you how to manage your listings, how to publish adverts for available accommodation, and, lastly, how to publish articles and news about your retirement facility. We have designed our website in such a way that you can easily access the listing information and make all the changes necessary in a user-friendly and flexible manner. Without further ado, let us take you through the process of logging in. In order to do this, you need to be on our homepage, which is at the following address: www.seniorservice.co.za. Once there, scroll to the bottom left of the home page. Fill in the box entitled Client Zone Login. You need to enter your username and password and click on Log In. The login details are provided to you by the Senior Service staff. After a successful login, the Client menu will appear. There are 4 sections under Client menu: Edit My Listings, Add Available Accommodation, Article Manager, Training. Please click on Edit My Listings. This brings up the main listing of your facility, as well as other adverts for available accommodation which you may have. To open the listing, click on the green tick. The listing form that appears can be altered and edited by you. You can make any changes you like, such as the name of your facility, phone numbers, GPS coordinates, email address, the link to your website, and so on. It is important that under Types of Care and Type of Facility that you tick the appropriate boxes that reflect the type of facility you are and the types of services you offer. This is important because it will influence the types of inquiries you will receive. Your listing will not appear in the search results if you have unticked a type of care. Once you've made the changes you wish to make, click on the Update button to save the changes. If you want to change any of the images displayed in your listing, click Edit Images. You may now add or delete any photos, as well as change the order in which the photos are displayed. Please be aware that our system accepts JPEG images, and these images should be around 100 kilobytes. If they are larger than 100 kilobytes, it will take longer for the user to view your photographs. The maximum size of photos is 300 kilobytes. If you have large images sitting on your computer and do not know how to reduce them in size, you are welcome to contact us. There is free software which can be downloaded that does exactly that. There are also websites that do the reducing of photos for you. If you're stuck, simply send us the photos and we will assist you. Once you have made the desired changes to the photographs, you can also change the order in which the photographs appear. You do so by changing the section called Field Order on Listing Page. Here you can choose the order you wish the photographs to appear. Once you've done the changes, you simply click the Update button. Once you're happy with all of these changes, click the Return to Editing listing. You may now proceed to publish adverts for available accommodation. It is important to populate this section of the website, as statistics show that a whopping 30% of users use this section of our website when looking for accommodation. Click the Add Available Accommodation button. A box appears confirming that you are about to add adverts for available accommodation. Click the Submit button and a form will appear. The form is needed in order to add 1 advert for available accommodation. The number of adverts you may publish is unlimited. If you complete the form and click Submit, your advert will be live. Here are a couple of pointers on how to complete the form. Firstly, choose the type of available accommodation you want to advertise from the list provided. You may add adverts for cottages for rent, cottages for sale, apartments, beds for dementia patients, beds in mid-care, frail care, and convalescent care. You will notice that the address of the facility is pre-populated, but you can enter the telephone number and cell number of the person who, within your organization, is responsible to sell or market the available accommodation. Under Describe Accommodation, insert the physical description of what is available. To make things easier, you may copy and paste pre-prepared text from a Word document. Next, fill in the conditions of purchase. Here, you describe your organization's terms and conditions for the purchase or rental of accommodation, if there is a deposit, if there is an age restriction, if the person would be buying according to life rights or sectional title, and so on. Under Price, enter the monthly rental or purchase price. Lastly, stipulate when the unit or room is available from. To publish the advert, click Submit. Job done. You may now add a photo of the available unit. You do that in the same way as you have done with your main listing by clicking on Edit Images. Adverts published remain active for a period of 5 months. After 5 months, you will be prompted by means of an email to review your advert and decide whether you want to repost it or delete it. Should you ignore this email and do nothing, your advert will automatically be deleted. We do this to ensure that the adverts displayed are always current and relevant. If you now go back to the Edit My Listings section, you will notice that you will no longer have only one listing, there will be 2. Your main listing, as well as the advert that you have just published for available accommodation. How do you tell the 2 apart? Well, look under Property Class. Your main listing will say Retirement Place. Your adverts will say Available Accommodation. Simple. When your available accommodation is sold or let, delete the advert by simply clicking on the red cross. Never delete your main listing. If you are publishing and managing several adverts at a time, you may find it useful to prepare the text for your advert in advance in Microsoft Word and to simply copy and paste the text straight into the advert. Now, let's talk about publishing articles and news about your facilities. It's easy. Click under Article Manager in the Client menu. This will open up a blog page which allows you to publish various articles about your retirement facility, as well as news and events you may be hosting. If you are a new user, you will see that under the title My Entries, no articles appear. This will change once you start publishing. In order to enter an article, click the Write New Entry button. You will now get a page called My Blog. This is where you can enter the title of your article and enter the main text. Once again, you can copy and paste the text from an existing Microsoft Word document. You may embellish the look of your article by making the text bold, underlining it, or changing font types. If you wish to add an image to your article, click Images and Documents. Choose the photo from your computer's library by clicking the Browse button, then click Upload. The image will now appear in the body of your article. You may now resize the photo to your liking. When finished, choose in which category you want the article to appear. Select from these categories: General Articles, News, Medical, Events, and Travel. When ready to publish, click on the Save button. The article will now be sent to our editorial staff for approval before publishing. This concludes this training video. We hope you found the video informative and helpful. Should you need further assistance in any of the aspects of the video, our staff are always available to assist you. Contact them on info@seniorservice.co.za.